G'day guys, here we are at the number 34 carcass rebate. Okay, we've drawn a rebate joint before, I'm pretty sure. At least I think we have. This should probably be our quickest video. Look how easy it is. It's just a new sort of type of joint. Like I spoke about earlier, carcass joints are when the joints you'd use when you're making like a box or a drawer or a chest or something like that. Where you have a long joint along the width of a piece of timber, right? So let's get straight into this one. We'll draw this light piece up the back first so we can see it's a 140 by 140 square and it's 19 millimeters wide. So along the base, that'll mean it's 19, 140, like that. Zoom in and we'll push it up by 140. 140, enter. Okay, so we will triple click on that, make it a component, create. I reckon we'll keep this video under 2 minutes. This is going to be quick. Now let's double click on it. And we have to remove this piece. This dark piece is 19 millimeters wide, so that's going to be 19, and it goes half the material in, 9.5. So we'll grab the rectangle tool from here in. We'll go 19, 9.5, enter, and we'll push this all the way through to the bottom. Okay, there's our rebate. The next piece doesn't need anything special done to it. That's the only piece that needs to be modified. That's just you can see it's just a square piece of timber. So that is super easy for us because it is again 140, 19, and we push it up 140 in line with that, and then we can triple click on that, make component, create, and we can color them in, and that's pretty well done. Where's my paint bucket? There it is. This back one is light, front one is dark. Look at that. That is one good looking carcass rebate. Okay, if you followed along, well done. We'll quickly save it. Number 34 carcass rebate. Now remember, the rest of these carcass joints aren't going to be as easy. They get a bit trickier as we go on. So file, new. What do we got next? First dovetails. Exciting. See you in the video.